khublei shibun fibro ka jumtip anta karito ka brejong ka DSC is JAINTIA KHLIEHRIAT dengan pulai kat kum kan notification. The result of the interview to the post of LDA CUM TYPIST conducted by the District Selection Committee on the 18th and 19th March 2025 is hereby declared the name of the successful candidate recommended by the committee in order as per merit list are as follow. Kini kerteng JINGBAKLA select ke Daya Hunlang Patlong, Roslyn Nongtudu, Wansa Karuwar, Angelus Shila, Mbak Rambai, Bethesda Swer, Johnny Bonaventure Simply, Twinkle Shila, Hemina Pasling, Magiju Papeng, John Abraham Pawa, Watsngeo Serti, Wilkinson Nongrum, Edmund Bare, Jeffrey Lingdo Surong, Shirup Pawa, Kimi Eldora Nongtudu, Bankar Langsi, Sabita Shila, Wanda Shisha Nongtudu, Yowanka Shila. The recommended of the candidate shall confer no claim for appointment unless the appointing to is satisfied. Teknik in have enlightened the document gay baro and verify and depth kiki kam jam baro. Then since along successful lut baro. The tangini gijing petip khublei shibun.